Now, for the first time in 2 years, there are fewer job vacancies in Singapore. More workers also lost their jobs in the first quarter of the year, and firms cited restructuring and reorganization as the main reasons for retrenchments. The Manpower Ministry said overall unemployment rate held steady even as the economy slowed. Now, amid the US-China trade tension, experts expect the labor market to remain flat at best for the rest of the year. Eugenia Lim tells us more.
There were more workers losing their jobs in manufacturing and electronics-related jobs. In the first quarter, more workers were let go compared to the previous quarter. Meanwhile, total employment growth has continued to slow for the last 3 quarters. The services industry has contributed largely to the jobs growth. So has the construction sector, which posted its first employment gain in 3 years, a reflection of the increased public and private sector construction activities. Experts anticipate employment growth may moderate in the months ahead.
The US-China trade tension and political uncertainties around this region will pose as the biggest risk to Singapore's labour market. And this may even spill over to other sectors such as financial services, food and beverage, as well as tourism.
Even with economic uncertainties, analysts say there could be opportunities in tech-related industries.
Yes, so employers will be more cautious about hiring trends or newly created roles, but they still need to hire mid to senior level talents to fuel the growth of their businesses, and that creates a demand for a certain level of talents in different pockets of the sectors.
The report also highlighted that there are more jobs available than those seeking employment. Experts say it points to a skills mismatch, but added this issue can be addressed.
This is the best time to invest in your critical resource. As a HR strategy, would you be better off investing in developing your own talent pool? And for those who are not there yet, put them through some training, tap on some of the government grants that are available.
Manpower Ministry says the tight labour market may ease in the months ahead, as there may be fewer jobs available with more people looking for work.